Hello, I saw your nice question here on the discussion board. You want to solve this equation using the quadratic formula. First thing you need it in standard form, which means 0 on one side, everything else on the other, and it was given in that form. Then you want to identify A, B, and C. A's coefficient of the squared term, which is 1, B's coefficient of the linear term, which is -3, and the constant's -40. Here I wrote down the quadratic formula: minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now you want to substitute your numbers in. You want to be real careful with substituting in b. It's a minus b and our b is negative. So it's going to be minus a -3, which actually will come out to positive. Then we have plus or minus the square root, and we want to square that -3, which will be a 9, minus 4 times a, which is 1, and c's -40 over 2 times a, which is 1. So the denominator's 2, that's a 9. If you multiply -4 times -40, that's 160, and we add 169, that's a perfect square. Square root of it's 13. So I have 3 plus or minus 13 over 2. Since I combine my 3 and my 13, I write it out the long way. 3 plus 13 over 2 comes out to 8. 3 minus 13 over 2 comes out to -5. I hope this helps.